Today, we're stepping inside a mega chocolate factory to see how your favorite treat is made. Every day begins with trained workers preparing the production line. The journey starts with raw cocoa beans, delivered from farms around the world. Workers inspect the beans to make sure they meet the factory's quality standards. The beans first go through a cleaning system that removes dust and unwanted particles. Next, the beans are roasted to bring out their deep chocolate flavor.
Temperature control is critical. Even a slight change affects the taste.
After roasting, the beans are cracked open to separate the nibs from the shells. A specialized machine removes the shells using a controlled airflow. What remains are cocoa nibs, pure chocolate in its earliest form.
The nibs are ground into a thick paste called cocoa liquor.
The paste becomes smoother as it passes through multiple grinding stages.
Next, machines apply pressure to extract cocoa butter from the liquor. Cocoa butter gives chocolate its creamy texture.
The solid part is pressed into cakes that will later turn into cocoa powder.
To make chocolate, factories mix cocoa liquor with sugar and cocoa butter.
For milk chocolate, milk powder is added into the mixture.
The mixture passes through steel rollers to achieve a fine, silky texture. This step, called conching, smooths and develops the chocolate's flavor. The team constantly checks viscosity to ensure perfect consistency.
Now the chocolate moves to the tempering stage.
Tempering gives chocolate a shiny finish and perfect snap.
Temperature control again plays a key role in this stage. The tempered chocolate is poured into molds of different shapes.
Vibration removes air bubbles and creates smooth surfaces. The molds then travel through a cooling tunnel to solidify.
Once cooled, the bars release easily from the molds. A high-speed wrapping machine packs the chocolate in shiny foil.
Then, an outer wrapper is added to prepare it for shipping. Workers assist machines by boxing the final products.
The boxes move toward the warehouse for sorting.
Robotic systems stack the boxes efficiently for transport.
Each pallet is wrapped to protect the boxes during shipping.
The warehouse stores thousands of chocolate bars ready for dispatch.
Workers load the shipments into refrigerated trucks. The chocolate now begins its journey to stores worldwide. Soon, These chocolates appear on shelves in your local stores.
Thanks to perfect tempering, the chocolate snaps beautifully.
And that's how chocolate is made. Go out, from raw beans to the delicious bar you love.